Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. I hope you like the German Research Fair so far. I saw it was the last presentation and it's very late in Japan, but yeah, we are very glad that you're here now. I'm Franziska Peters from the DFKI. I'm a manager in the team of communications and media. And also here is Dr. Shoya Ishimaru. He's a researcher. Hi, very nice that you're also joining us and tell us a little bit about your experience at the DFKI and the opportunities for postdocs and researchers from Japan at DFKI. Yeah, I will introduce you to the German Research Center for Artificial Intelligence, a nonprofit public-private partnership founded in 1988, also known as DFKI. Maybe you heard about it. And I will give you an introduction about the opportunities offers you for postdocs and researchers from Japan, because I heard you're mostly of you are postdocs. So with research facilities in Kaiserslautern, Saarbrücken, Bremen, Niedersachsen, and laboratories in Berlin and Darmstadt, we have also branch offices in Lübeck and Trier. DFKI is the leading research center in Germany for innovative commercial software technology using artificial intelligence. So the center focuses on application-oriented basic research, developing product functions, prototypes, and patentable solutions in the field of information and communication technology. Yeah. So as you can see on the chart, DFKI conducts research and development projects in 28 research departments. For example, agents and simulated reality in Saarbrücken, or also smart data and knowledge services in Kaiserslautern. And to let you know, the connection between Kaiserslautern and Japan is really close. So if you're interested, you can see how many departments we have in Kaiserslautern. And we have also 9 competence centers and 8 living labs with funding from government agencies, including the European Union, the Federal Ministry of Education and Research, the Ministry of Economic Affairs, and also federal states of Germany, the German Research Foundation, and we have also industrial partners. So now I'll show you 2 projects from researchers from our newly founded lab in Darmstadt. So you get to know about our projects a little bit more and see our researchers, what they're working on. And yeah, the DFKI has established 3 new research areas with the Darmstadt laboratory. So first of all, the foundations of systemic AI for robot learning and systemic AI for decision support. So let's go.
My name is Manisha Luthra.
No?
I'm a senior researcher
Okay,
in German Research Center on Artificial Intelligence in Darmstadt. In my current research, I'm answering the question how to build autonomous data management systems using machine learning. For example, in big internet companies like Facebook, they require really hard requirements like for analyzing clickstream data, they need very low latency and high throughput of around 9 gigabits per second. Another example is from NASA's Deep Space Network that requires real-time fault management and detection of faults in the spacecrafts. Building such systems requires us to redesign and rethink about architectures of data management systems, and in order to do so, machine learning helps in decision making for such data management mechanisms, such as where to distribute analytics on compute resources. One of the key contributions that we do for these data management systems is coming up with a single machine learning model that can work for a variety of analytical queries and workloads that we coin as zero-shot learning for data management systems. The end goal is to come up with a foundational model like ChatGPT for data management systems. I really like the friendly environment of this lab that offers a unique balance of female and male employees. I think it's our duty as a researcher in computer science to attract more women and female scientists to work in this amazing field of computer science and AI.
Hello from the newly founded lab in Darmstadt. My colleagues and I are working on systems AI for robot learning, and right now they will tell you more.
I want to make robots solve more complex problems so that they can be useful for the society. Wouldn't it be nice if they could be great helpers for farmers? Well, the problem is that they still need a lot of training time, data, and energy. And this is what I am working on right now.
I would like to talk to robots to give them some tasks to solve. Wouldn't it be nice if the robot could set up the table while I'm cooking a dinner for my friends? The problem is, though, that the robot neither understands what a table is nor what it means to set up the table. Therefore, I would like to teach the robot to better understand us.
For more details on this and other projects, check out our homepage and stay tuned for further research.
Oh, perfect. I hope you enjoyed the videos and yeah, got a little bit insights about our projects. Yeah, I would like to show you that because the DFKI attracts talents from all over the world, currently employing over 560 researchers from 83 countries who collaborate with over 1,000 German colleagues. So we are very proud to have such a diverse team of highly qualified professionals contributing to our research projects. And hopefully you're also coming to the DFKI and are interested in our research. So let you know, the DFKI maintains various forms of cooperation with different universities and institutions in Japan, such as Osaka Metropolitan University, OMU, and ICT and NIST, and also at Kyushu University. Joint research on topics like document and image processing, pen-computer interaction, and knowledge management has been conducted with OMU for years. So as a result, the computer science program at TU Kaiserslautern has been internationalized, and students from both universities can spend a semester abroad at the other university. So currently the DFKI has a Japanese doctoral student and had 2 exchange students from Japan who were studying for their bachelor's degree and stayed with the DFKI for a year, just to let you know how many possibilities you have at the DFKI. And in addition, a Japanese female student recently joined the DFKI for a 3-month internship. So she's pursuing her master's degree, so we have lots of opportunities here. And yeah, so the DFKI has established a strong partnership with Professor Kiese. He's from OMU. And yeah, furthermore, the DFKI has now a lab in Japan in collaboration with the OMU, which is the largest university in Japan. So maybe you heard about it. And the focus at the lab is on joint research in smart cities, smart universities, self-education and teaching, and also medical applications. So the DFKI Lab Japan is also coordinated by Professor Kiese. So yeah, if you would like to get to know more about it, you can also contact us and get in touch with also the DFKI Lab in Japan. So now it's your turn. Dr. Shoya Ishimaru will introduce himself and provides exciting insights from the DFKI.
Yeah, thank you for the introduction. Hi, my name is Shoya Ishimaru. I'm a senior researcher at DFKI, and I'm working for DFKI, working at DFKI for 7 years. And the reason why I'm here today is that I think my academic experience or my career should be really interesting for you, for participants of today's event. I finished my master's study in Osaka Prefecture University, and after finishing my master, I moved to Germany for PhD program. And I finished my PhD program in University of Kaiserslautern and doing some postdoc research in DFKI, and I'm now junior professor in University of Kaiserslautern, London as well. And as mentioned, yes, thank you for showing next slide. Yes, if maybe I should explain research topic. I'm currently working when I was a PhD student, I was also working for developing smart learning environment called Immersive Quantified Learning Lab. We utilize several sensors, including an eye tracker, physiological sensing wristband, to understand the internal state of students, in which part the students have trouble to understand, which part the students has good interest or self-confidence. We can understand or measure this affective state, internal states by sensor, and we show the contents dynamically during learning. This is the concept of immersive quantified learning.
Okay,
so some pictures are shown in this. Yes, and as already we introduced, we are exchanging many students, and yeah, we have some PhD students. We have one PhD student now in our lab, and in I think end of March, we had around 10 Japanese guests for visitors, and we discussed many topics, including not educational purpose, educational scenario, but also applying AI to medical data analysis, and we are really happy to collaborate with Japan, many Japanese students.
Thank you so much for the insights from you. So if you are now interested in collaborating with the DFKI, you have a range of opportunities, as I already told you, but it's also including like research space, cooperative projects teaching, and also giving lectures. Yeah, these possibilities can be tailored based on individuals' qualifications and interests. And to learn more about these opportunities, you can contact the DFKI directly to discuss your needs and qualifications, and the HR department of DFKI. There's also the contact, like on the chart, the last bullet point, like personnel@dfki.de. Can also provide information on funding possibilities, and collaborative projects allow visiting scientists to work together with researchers at DFKI and make new contacts while sharing their expertise. And research stays are another option, allowing visiting scientists to conduct research and participate in projects at DFKI for a limited period of time, as also Dr. Shoya Ishimaru told you, and the specific opportunities and conditions can be individually tailored based on availability and needs. So you're encouraged to contact the DFKI and discuss like case by case basis what kind of opportunities you have. And yeah, we are very happy and glad if you will contact us after it. So this was our quick insights of the general informations about DFKI and also about the experience of Dr. Shoya Ishimaru. So I hope you enjoyed it, and we welcome highly qualified researchers from around the world, and especially also from Japan, to join our team as postdocs or PhD students. And we are dedicated to advancing the field of AI and developing innovative solutions for the knowledge society. So if you share our passion for cutting edge research and want to be part of the diverse and dynamic team, we encourage you to apply to our open positions. So you can also find them online, and also at the German Research Fair we have also the calls which are open, and you can like click on it, and maybe you find something interesting and can apply to that. So now it's the time, if you have any questions, you can ask us. We hope we can answer you the question perfectly. So if there is something that's not really clear for you, please do not hesitate and speak to us.
I can speak both English, Japanese, or German a bit.
Excuse me.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah. Hello.
Hi. Hello. Oh, now I'm a PhD student and third years. So now I'm finding a job as a postdoc. So if I want to apply a DFKI as a postdoc, should I send the email before the slide? Is it correct?
Yeah, you should. You can directly contact the HR team, like personnel@dfki.de, so they can give you like informations about your special case, you know, what you would like to do or what you find interesting in doing research, or you can also apply on the job directly you find interesting. But it's also nice if you contact them, and so they can find a solution for you.
Yeah,
you know,
thank you.
But also applying on a job, because we have a career site from the DFKI, and we have a career site, and you can just click there. There's also an opportunity to like click on postdoc jobs, so maybe you can also apply directly. But if there is nothing open, we're also very you're highly welcome to just ask the HR team.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, thank you very much.
I hope that helped you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much. Yes, there is another hand sign. You can just talk, Yuki Ikeda.
Hello, thanks for your information. So can you hear me now?
Yeah,
Okay,
we can
yes.
hear you now.
I would be curious, like, if there is any like limitations or regulations about like your residency history? Because, for example, I'm living in Germany for 3 years, and I just dropped by the booth of like DAD or DFG and scholarship funding informations, and I found out mostly they're designed mostly for the people who has been studying or researching in Japan for more than a year, then has never been living in Germany. So basically, like the based on what you have presented so far here, like is there any regulations about like your residence history?
Yeah, I'm not completely sure. Shoya, do you know it?
Sorry, I have no idea. There should
Yeah.
be no specific
Or
regulations. But
I could just like myself like tackle the information.
Yeah.
So okay, that's
Yeah, I think it's better to ask them directly, because I don't know in this special case. I don't know. Maybe it's better if you also contact our HR department, so I can go to the slide again, because that's the last bullet point for this kind of questions. You can like just ask them, because they would know it better. Yeah.
okay. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah,
The information is
thanks.
still like very
Yeah, I hope you're
yeah, I appreciate your
also.
help. So,
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yep.
So I don't know if everything is clear now. So just like don't hesitate and contact the email, because they're very highly welcomed, that you like can ask them anything you would like to know, because there are also sometimes very special cases, and also Shoya and we don't know exactly in which case you have that kind of opportunity. So that would be the best solution. Yeah. But on what of universities have you been before? Was it like one of the universities I showed you? Because I'm just interested. Have you been to OMU or?
yes. Before
Yeah, okay.
before Corona pandemic, I often visited like one time in 3-4 months. After COVID, I'm not frequently visiting, but yeah, one of the best place I'm visiting in Japan. Well, not
Yeah.
limited to OMU, but nice to Kyushu.
Yeah, there
I
are
have a
also
question,
other
actually. Oh, sorry.
institutes.
Oh, can you hear me?
Yeah,
Yes.
we can hear you.
Okay, perfect. So in the firmware part of the presentation, I've heard like a master second student, she got the now the internship in your facilities.
Yeah,
And
sure.
then-
A 3-month internship.
3 months. It's like
Yeah,
it's like the program between the Japanese university and then with your facilities. Like some especially is not particular. Like it's not open for the everyone's, or what the kind of the internship I really want to know about that one.
Yeah, but Shreya, do you know it? Because Watanabe, you also did an internship, right?
Yes.
But
we are really flexible for the period. Or depending on which scholarship do you have, or by using which program do you use, how many months, how long can you stay, depends. But usually we are accepting 3 months or 6 months stay. And the difference is to extend more than 3 months, if we need to get, I think, residence permit or working permit. Not working, but residence permit. It's called visa in Japan. That's why many students are selecting the option for 3 months. This is the maximum period Japanese students can stay in Germany without any additional documents.
Okay.
But if you get acceptance of a scholarship program, or if you are in certain program, you can stay more than 3 months, like 6 months.
Okay, so like so your facilities like open to ready it's open for everyone's, but like it depends on what the program, the others, like the scholarship program or the university program depends on that. So just like the facility will not offers like students their own program of the internship. Right. Okay, got it. Thanks.
Sure. You're welcome. So is there any other question you have? So, okay, then I think we have a chat here. I didn't see it because, the mail. Okay, perfect. I did it automatically. Yeah, because in the presentation mode, you can't see everything. Yeah, but it was a very nice talk to you, and I hope you get to know the DFKI a little bit better now, and you like, yeah, having an overview about the opportunities we can give you at the DFKI. So hopefully you have everyone has the email now, and yeah, so don't hesitate and please contact us. And you can also contact me. It's also at the German Research Fair at our yeah, at the DFKI stand. You can also contact me. There's also my email, like franziskapeters@dfki.de, but it's also shown at on the website at the research fair. You can also contact me, and I can give you the contact. If you're unsure, you can first talk also to me, or you can just like text them. So that's the easy way. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I wish you a good afternoon, evening. Yeah, and yeah, I hope you like the event of the German Research Fair, and you're all very interested in coming to Germany. Yeah. Okay, perfect. So thank you so much, and maybe we'll see us. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.